Everyone, it's Frances from Your Book of Memories. Welcome to my brand new project share. I created a Gatefold Folio mini album using the Simple Stories Carpe Diem 12x12 paper pad. I absolutely love this collection. It's got some funky random images and it's just so super happy paper. I did use heavyweight cardstock from the Paper Studio, and that was for wrapping my covers and my pages. So here on the front cover, I fussy cut one of these images out of the paper line, and it's a magnetic closure. Look at this polka dot paper. We've got 2 spines and 2 doors and a back. Oh my gosh. So when you open this up, on the left side, there's a wallet-sized waterfall. Super cute little heart I fussy cut out. Oh my gosh, look at the stripes. And there's a bit of a Kathy Orta inspirational thing going on over here. Some strips of design paper paired with a clear spot for photographs. So you can tuck a photo right underneath that little bike I fussy cut out. And this is a totally new type of project. It's a bit boxy. So you see how thick that is? Tons of room for photos in here. I'm gonna open this up now, and this is an accordion pocket. Thank you, Amy. She got these for me. Stampin' Up little paper clips. I used it as a little thing to hold on to as I unwind that. You open this up and there's tons of space for photos. I mean, look at this. I'm gonna stand this up for you. It's an expanding accordion pocket. I love it. So here's some cut aparts. Super cute, pencil it in, places for photographs on the back, and also places for journaling. Love it. So if you had like a trip that you went on, you could just put all the photographs from that entire trip in this album, and some can go here, and a ton can go on the back of these, and the rest can be just stuffed in there, so you have one place to keep all of your photos and memories in just one album. That just closes back up just like this. I like to wind it about 1.5 times. Another place for a photo here. I did fussy cut these balloons out, added some more design paper. There's cute tags on the side, some journaling lines on there. I fussy cut this out as well, and I just glued it right on there. And then this opens up again, and there's a horizontal 4x6 waterfall. Super cute. Fussy cut that out. Tons of places for photos. I love this album. It comes together super fast and it holds so many photographs. Here on the back, I just had a bunch of fussy cut images and I just stuck them right here. Seize the day. Make your life extraordinary. So awesome. Cute little cat and little gumball machine. And then there's actually an insert on the back here. So look at this. Places for journaling, photographs. I love it. And there's a flap right here that opens up. Another cut apart here. And then there's places for photos here and here. And another insert at the top. Super cute. And then this opens up again, and we've got a double pocket. Look at this. This is so awesome. Another cut apart. Places for photos and journaling. And then I added some journaling lines on the back of this. Remember this. Oh my gosh, cute little pink bow. And then I made another booklet and another cut apart here. Enjoy today. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Choose to shine. Isn't that like the most positive? I mean, this is just awesome. I fussy cut this cute little ducky. And then you close that up. And that is it, everyone. Thanks guys so much for watching. That is what I created using the Simple Stories Carpe Diem 12x12 paper pack. Bye.